everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time. It's still your girl, Ijoma Florence. For all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys, and all my returning viewers, thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I was able to make this jumbo knotless braided wig. Is a full frontal wig. Okay, so as you can see from your screen, I'm showing you how the wig looks, and here is me putting it on, showing you how neat the wig looks. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed channel, please do well, because here on my channel I do DIY videos. I also post hairs, because I am a hair vendor. Okay, so if you're interested on this wig, kindly send a DM because it's for sale. So let's quickly go into the video. So as you can see, I've already prepped my nets of my hair. I've already prepped it. If you're familiar with my video, I love working with 360 lace. So this is 360 full frontal, and as you can see, I've started the braiding, but I'm gonna carry you along, so don't be scared. The attachments I used was color 30 from Expression, and the cotton was color 2, a cotton 2. So let me show you how I made my knotless braided wig. Okay, so I started by losing the hair, then I use my edge control to slick it down. This is synthetic hair, so you have to make it to look nice. So I slicked it down using my edge control. Then after slicking it down with brush, I combed it with my comb. Then I divided it into 3 equal parts. This especially for beginners. If you're a professional, you can just use a finger to find your way. So I brought out my attachments, the extensions I'm gonna use. So I started the braiding. I braided it all down a little while before I now started to add my extensions. Watch the video, is self-explanatory. So now I started to add my extension. I do not use regular Ghana weaving pattern. Watch the video, you understand the pattern I use. This is my paddy when it comes to, this pattern is my paddy when it comes to making Ghana braided. So watch the video. So as you can see, as I'm braiding it, I'm adding extension depending on your desired length, okay, and the size you want it to be. What I'm making was, or what I made was jumbo knotless braided wig, but not that bigger size. Okay, so it depends on how you want your size to be. You keep on adding extensions. So in case you fail to understand what I did the first time, please try to get it right this time around, because after here I'm gonna fast forward it. Okay, so after slicking the hair down with edge control, I braided it down a little bit. Then I started to add my extensions. as I braid, I add extensions. So it depends on what you want. If you want it bigger, if you want it longer, it depends on you. You keep on adding extensions as you can see me doing. So after now, I'm gonna fast forward it to the front parts. Okay, so here is me making the front part of it. I've already slicked down the hair using my edge control. Now I'm trying to braid it now before adding my extensions. Yeah, the video is not that detailed, okay? So if you really want me to make a detailed tutorial on how to make jumbo knotless braided wig, just comment high on the comment section. I'm gonna make a detailed video on how to make a braided wig, be it jumbo size or normal size. After braiding, I trimmed this hair. Okay, I trimmed it using my scissors. So after trimming it with scissors, the next thing I did was to dip it inside very hot water. Okay, so and after that I allow it to dry, and here comes the end result. Look at how beautiful and natural the hair looks. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Yeah, it's giving what it should give. So like I've said, if you're interested in buying, just send a DM. Okay, we are open for business. So guys, thank you so much. So if you really loved what you saw, do well to join the family. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel, share my video, like my video, and comment. Okay, because this is actually help the YouTube algorithm to know that the content that I'm putting out here is good. Thank you and bye.